In the first episode of Mrs. Curtis's Lab, we are going to experiment with density. To begin, we will gather the items that we will need to use. The first item that we will need is food coloring. You can use any color that you like. For this experiment, I have chosen to use blue. You can use a large glass vase like the one you see here, or a clear 2-liter bottle with the top cut off works just as well. A large cup. You will need regular table salt with a large spoon, a medium-sized potato, and a thin piece of cardboard from a cereal box cut into a half circle and a triangle like you see here. Now that we've gathered all of our items, we are ready to begin. First, we are going to carefully slice our potato. We need a slice that is approximately 1/4 inch thick. Now we're ready to make our fish. We are going to make a slit in the center of the potato for the fins and another slit along the potato peel for the tail. Now slide your half circle through the slit in the center of the potato and the triangle in the slit along the potato peel. Now your potato fish is ready to go swimming. Now put approximately 1½ to 2 cups of water into your vase or 2-liter bottle. Place at least 7 to 8 spoonfuls of salt into the water and stir the solution until no more salt will dissolve. In your large cup, add the same amount of water and mix 1 to 2 drops of food coloring. Make sure that you do not add too much food coloring. You want to be able to see through the water. Now pour your colored water over the back of the spoon and into the vase as you can see here. The spoon helps keep the water from falling too fast into the vase and mixing with your salt water. Now drop your potato fish into the water and see what happens. When you added salt to the water, it increased its density, allowing the less dense fresh water to sit on top. Your potato fish floats between the fresh water and the salt water. This is because the density of the fish is less than the density of the salt water, but more dense than the fresh water. I hope you have enjoyed the first episode of Mrs. Curtis's Lab. In next week's episode, we are going to do an experiment using rubber bands that will help us understand energy and the motion of particles. We'll see you then.